how to post a template on Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you guys how you can post a template on Capcut. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Capcut application. Now tap on New Project and select the video which you want to post as template. Click on Add and now you will be directed to this page. Here you can edit the video using different tools from the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Once you are done editing the video, click on the little icon at the top right corner. Once the video is exported, here you will see this type of post as template blue button in the screen. But keep in mind that this post as template button will be only shown if you are an editor on Capcut. So in order to post a template on Capcut, you must be a Capcut creator. Once you are a Capcut creator, then this blue button will be shown on the screen and you can just click on it and you can post template on Capcut. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood how you can post template on Capcut. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.